everyone, my name is Sarika. Today I will speak some lines on topic euthanasia. Euthanasia means good death or mercy killing. Euthanasia is applied when the person's life is purposely ended due to some diseases or pain which made them suffer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Purvi. I am from class 7. Today I will speak some lines on euthanasia. Euthanasia, when a person diseases can't be cured. The euthanasia, which EU means good and nasia means death. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Dakshita from class 7. Today I would like to speak some lines on the word euthanasia. Euthanasia is when a person's life is purposely ended due to disease or pain which has made them suffer. The law euthanasia in India distinguishes between active and passive euthanasia. The euthanasia takes less than 1 minute to apply in someone's body. The word euthanasia was firstly used by Francis Bacon in 1870. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Shika from grade 7 is here to speak some lines on word euthanasia. Euthanasia refers to the practice of intentionally ending a life in order to relieve pain and suffers. It is categorized as voluntary, non-voluntary and involuntary. The phrase euthanasia was coined by Sir Francis Bacon. It is also known as mercy killing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi. Today I am studying in class 8. I speak a few lines of euthanasia. Euthanasia meaning in Hindi is Ichha Mrityu, and they come for Europe first. Many people is the die, and he come India for 2018, and people is 300 people. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yakshraj from grade 7. Today I will tell us about a few lines of euthanasia. Euthanasia, known as mercy killing. It is a legal step to die for serious medical issue. It is a good step to die for sufferers. Euthanasia start in the world in 2001 in Finland. Euthanasia start in India for 2018. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I am from class 7. I am speaking some lines on euthanasia. Euthanasia is when a person's life is purposely ended because of diseases or pain which has made them suffer. The difference from associated suicide when a person's help someone kills themselves. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aryan from class 7. Today I am tell about few lines on euthanasia. Euthanasia, the practice of ending of life that the patient suffering from any disease like cancer, polio, etc. Euthanasia means in Greek word EU, good, and thantos means death. Euthanasia means in Greek word is death. Euthanasia is also called mercy killing. In South Korea, it is decriminalized in 2009, and the first state the euthanasia were started in Netherlands in 2001, Belgium in 2002. In India, it was started in 7th March 2018. Recent news from euthanasia are April 5, 2024. A non-binary student, high school fight, they can suicide to our decision. And March 8, 2024, a physical assisted woman died with depression due to euthanasia. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। मेरा नाम विवेक है, मैं कक्षा 7वीं का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक यूथनेशिया के बारे में एक ऐसी कहानी बताने वाला हूँ। एक व्यक्ति ने जिसने अपने जीवन में कभी भी यूथनेशिया को उच्च तरीके से नहीं माना। तो ये कहानी शुरू होती है 1950 में। फिनलैंड में एक ऐसे बच्चे का जन्म होता है जिसे शुरू से एक बीमारी थी जिसका नाम पोलियो था। उसे बचपन से ही खेल में रुचि थी, लेकिन उसके माता पिता जानते थे कि वह कभी खिलाड़ी नहीं बन सकता, वह कभी खेल नहीं सकता। तो 1957 में उसे ये बीमारी बहुत बढ़ गई और उसे एक चैम्बर का रास्ता अपनाना पड़ा। उसके पास उसे अपने पूरे जीवन में उस चैम्बर में रहना था और उसके लिए ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला था, ये उसके माता पिता जानते थे। उसके जीवन में कई डॉक्टरों ने उसे कहा कि वह यूथनेशिया ले ले, लेकिन उसका मन नहीं था कि वो यूथनेशिया ले और डरकर अपनी मौत चुन ले। उसका मन था कि वो ज़िंदगी में कुछ करे और दुनिया के लिए मिसाल बने। ऐसे ही उसने उसी चैम्बर के अंदर अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की, अपनी डिग्री पूरी की, अपनी 50 किताबें लिखी, अपनी 57 लॉज लिखे और अपनी 27 नॉवेल्स लिखे। आप समझ सकते हैं कितनी मुश्किल बात होगी एक व्यक्ति के लिए जो अपने पूरे जीवन एक चैम्बर में पड़ा रहा। आज से 54 दिन पहले उनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी। धन्यवाद।